Smart Life app is a third-party smart home management app. With the Smart Life app, you can organise and control all the devices in your home from one place. So, it can be useful to set up your Smart Life app to mirror your real-life house as much as possible. That is where Smart Life homes can come in useful. Each home of Smart Life represents a building or house containing smart devices. In each home, you can set up rooms and place your devices within the rooms. You can also invite other Smart Life users to the home, allowing family members or guests to see and adjust. On the Smart Life app, you can have multiple homes and multiple rooms within each home. But don't worry, people you invite to one of your homes will not be able to see or control the other homes. This means if you have multiple properties or holiday homes or a home office at the end of the garden, you can control them all from one app and only share control of specific homes with specific people. First, click on the Me tab. Then, navigate to the Home Management screen. You should see My Home at the top of the list. When you first created an account, Smart Life automatically created this placeholder home in which to store your devices. Click on My Home to begin setting it up. On this screen, you can edit all aspects of the home. Firstly, give the home a name. Then, if you want, you can set the location. If you do set the location, Smart Life will show you relevant weather data for your area on the main home screen. Click on Set, position the little house over the location of your property, and click OK when done. If you don't want to set the location, you can skip this step and just continue to set up the rooms. Smart Life automatically suggests a list of rooms to add to the home. You can select or deselect the rooms by clicking on the blue tick. If you wish to add a room that isn't on the list, like a garage, then click Add Room. Here you can fill in the room name or choose from the list, then press Confirm to save. When you are happy with your home, press Save. To add home members, navigate to the Home Management screen in the Me tab. Click on the home, then click Add Member. Smart Life will offer you multiple methods for adding members, such as adding an account directly or sending or texting a code which the other person can input into their app. To delete a member, click on their name and choose Delete. To join a home, navigate to the Home Management screen in the Me tab. Click Join a Home and input the invitation code sent to you by the home owner. Congratulations! You have now set up your first home. You can go ahead and add all the homes you require by clicking Create Home on the Home Management screen. Once you have set up all your homes, you can switch between homes by clicking on the home name in the corner of the home screen.